Hey guys!
Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Let's get excited for the 70s. The 70s are back. I recently had the pleasure of going shopping this weekend because I don't get to go shopping very often, but I was taken back by all the new and hottest 70s gear that was out. At first I was like, oh, what the heck is going on? I was looking for a little casual chic, but then I decided that it was time for me to be edgy back because I didn't know that the trend had changed. It was from, 80s, 90s chic, and now it's like we're taking it back. It is 70s time, and now I am excited. One of my favorite places to shop is Forever 21. They have cool looks, nice prints, and their clothes are always reasonably priced. So right now they have great deals and sales. So if you are looking to be in style and dress fashionably, go to Forever 21. This shirt that I'm wearing is from Forever 21. It originally was a dress and I turned it into a shirt because I just can't get over the shoulders on it. I love them, and the dress is a little bit short, and let's just keep it cool. Let's keep it up,
Check out the new arrivals from Forever 21. Look at the bell bottoms and check out the oversized sweaters. I am so excited for the 70s. For my next two looks, I found at Zara the stripe maxi dress with the two splits on the side, and also the striped blouse with the large bow in the back. I got so many compliments on these two looks. And don't forget to stay current with the weekly fashion trends at Zara. I love all of their new arrivals, and also this cute, chic 70s style dress. I love Zara.
Dancing and singing and moving to the grooving, and just when it hit me, somebody turned around and shouted, "Play that funky music, white boy! Play that."
Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and of course, leave your comments below. I'll be happy to respond. Thank you.